What's the meaning of accept? Accept. 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 The word accept has many meanings, but in general it means to receive something willingly. It can also mean to agree to something, to believe something, or to tolerate something. Briefly, the meaning of accept can be described as the willingness to receive something, whether it is a gift, an idea, or a challenge. When we accept something, we are opening ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. We are also showing that we are willing to learn and grow. Here are some examples of how the word accept can be used in a sentence. I accepted the gift with a smile. I accepted her apology. I accepted the challenge to run a marathon. I accepted the fact that I would never be perfect. I accepted that I needed help. When we accept things, we are not saying that we agree with them or that we like them. We are simply saying that we are willing to deal with them. Acceptance is a powerful tool that can help us to live happier and more fulfilling lives.